Everybody, Keith Best here, and in this video I'm just going to show you a new addition to local content engine. Now when you log into your local content engine, what you're going to see is this up here is called PBN Builder. Now this was originally the link one, so which created the backlinks, which this one hasn't changed. It's still the same. You put your target URL, put your anchor text in, you set where you want it to, which projects want to link to it, and then it will build them all out down here. That hasn't changed. But this one has the internal linking. It's a new one. It's a new one because, as you know, when you build a local content engine site out, it will automatically do all the internal link for you. This one is different because this one is you can put any WordPress site in by connecting it with the app password, and then it will create the internal links for you. So what you need to do is obviously press site connected, because this has literally just come out today. I am just doing it, and in this domain I'm doing it for the first time. So let's have a look how it goes. As it says, you can only connect up to 25 sites. Okay, now if you are on the not on the premium, then basically you'll click on this and it will actually come up and show you that you need to upgrade. So this is only for the premium members, but it's free for the premium members for up to 25 sites. So you add your first site, click it in. You want your site name. So let's have a look. It's Gardens. This is just one of my demo affiliate sites. There's obviously all my other ones, the Magic Page plugin. Now it doesn't work with Magic Page plugin, i.e. it won't work with, it'll work with the static pages if you have any, but obviously it gets like lost with the Magic Pages. And it does work with Gutenberg, and we have tried it with Elementor, and it does work with them. It might not work with all theme builders, works with Thrive themes, might not work with them all, but we will see. So I want the WordPress URL. So that is going to be this one. That. Should be the sitemap URL there. Just check. In case this hasn't got a sitemap attached. Always make sure to check your sitemap is correct. Sitemaps, so that will do nicely. Take a bit of time for that, like, but that will work. Okay, so username, the idea, USB, and my app password. So I'm just going to copy my app password. Obviously, if it shows up, I will blank it out. Now, password in, test my connection. And it's connected successfully. So now I'm going to add the site. Okay, so it is now connected. So that. Now, if I click into it, that's got the sitemap in. So what I want to do is follow the steps, and I want to click crawl the site map to fetch the pages. Like I say, this one might take a bit of time because that was a bit slow. There's found 73 pages on the site. pulled in 15, which basically, if we have a look at here, I've got 10 posts and 4 pages. That's 14. Where I got the other one from? But don't forget, when you've got things like WordPress, it has the bits and bobs, which it classes as pages sometimes. But this pulls them out and only pulls in pages and posts. Okay, got it. So now we've got them in. There's 15 pages of 1 recent jobs. Have a look, see what we've got. About, contact, home. I've got home in twice for some reason. I got home in twice. I'll have a word with the devs about that. Then we've got all of the posts in. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10 posts. And 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. That's right. We've just got an extra home page for some reason. But now if we do build internal links, and away it goes. So as it says, don't close this page. So if you want to go do something else on your computer, just pull this across onto a different screen so that this doesn't get closed or it doesn't shut down, anything like that. And then just let it go. It's created 2 links already. If we come down here and click to expand, the anchor text is retaining wall, and that goes to there. Open this one. Search for retaining wall. And I've got retaining wall there. Goes to 6 types of stone walls. Your guide to be building perfect. Right, got any links on? Go back to here. 3 pages with links. So let's put 3, 4 links on that one. Oops. Let's put 2 links on there. Retaining wall and walkways. I've got walkways, path light. Got we should not do. Best way to mow your lawn. Shrubs and hedges. Landscape designs. Selecting plants. It's got like sort of using rocks. I'll just wait until this is actually finished. Done 8 of 15. Because if there's any you're not happy with, you don't like this one here, the landscape design makes it you should avoid. It's got 2 in, which has got exactly the same anchor text. So what you can do, you can go in and have a look. If we scroll down, we'll find selecting plants and selecting plants there. Now that one goes to types of flowers to choose. And that goes to how to choose the best shrubs and hedges for your yard. So they are genuine, and it is a valid anchor text for them sort of things, but you might not want them on there. Or you might decide to just change that around slightly, whatever you want to do. But what you can do, I don't want to do it while it's still working. Oh, it looks like it's stopped. Let's put 10 pages with links, 19 total links added. So what you can do is, if I find that one again, this one here, I can decide that, okay, I don't want this one. Or I don't want this one. Let's say we get rid of this one. The types of flowers to choose for your landscaping project, which was this one here. So this one, this link here, I don't really want. What I'm going to do, I'll just give it a couple of seconds. Link removed from WordPress and database. Now, if you do that, that link has now gone. Okay, and I've only got the one link in place. Like I say, this can now be used on any WordPress site to actually create internal links. That's just your list of your pages. And that just shows you recent jobs down there. But there's all my links, what I've just done in literally 5 minutes on this site. I only had 10 pages, but even so, that would have took me a lot longer to do if I was doing it any other way. And this is just a standard WordPress site, as you've seen, nothing fancy, just a test site what I use for different stuff. And it's just basically flowers and shrubs and lawns and all sorts of stuff. There you go. That is a new addition to the local content engine, the internal linking for any WordPress site. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to subscribe because I have a lot more videos that I want to make and stuff like that. If the video was useful, then feel free to leave a comment, let us know what was useful. If you've got any other videos that you'd like us to make, then leave a comment. That helps the channel, plus it lets me know you enjoyed it. So therefore, I'm going to make more videos for you guys. Catch you on the next video, guys. Bye.